unboxing. And I can't wait to actually try this. I bet it's good. Okay, so now we've gone into the next video. Whoa. Of course I had to drop something. I always have to drop something. But I had two other little things I wanted to show y'all that I got recently. And they're from LAMEEKU. And it is in this cute little box. That's one of them. And this is one of them. A white with silver, bluish. White with, yeah, like a metallic blue. And this is kind of rainbow or oil spill with hologram. That's what it is. Not metallic blue, but hologram. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's see what. Why am I dropping everything? Okay, so this came out and this came out. What is this? Well, this is because I don't have a house phone anymore. We killed our landline. And so I lay my phone down, and I forget where I put it all the time. And I thought, I just need to carry the thing on me. Well, I don't have pockets in every one of my at-home outfits, because they're usually, like, leggings or something. And, like, this top doesn't have a pocket on it either. So, it smells good. Not like leather. It smells like that, whatever you call it. I forget, but it's not leather. It's a phone case. And you also can put your essentials. So what would they be? Just gotta make sure it fits. This should be my size. It's got elastic here. Can you see that? It's black, so I'm sure it's hard to see. So you could put something in there. I'm thinking of some little things I could put in there. I like to use those little toothpicks that are plastic with floss on a flossing stick. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots, so you could have, your driver's license and health card, and then a debit card and a whatever. Anyway, you could put money behind there. That's what you do. You could put I call my emergency 20, and then maybe 5 ones and a 5 or something right there. And that's all I would do. This is, I can run to the store with this. And if you'll notice, it's upside down, so it's going to hang like this, only further down, because it's got these little hooks. So that's what this is. So let's see what it looks pretty. It looks kind of like a Chanel, right? It's that quilted black leather look. And then of course this is the Chanel chain look. So you can hook it. These are both hooks, so you can hook it there and there and just let it be a wristlet type. Or you can add this really long one and wear it like around your neck, or as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. But the point is, it keeps your phone on you. So I got two. I got one that was this kind of classier Chanel look, which is so funny. It came in a hot pink box. I would think that would have come in this one that looks more like a Chanel box, to be honest. And it says simplify your life. So what is simplified? Well, it's just your phone and your cards. That's it. One thing you also could do is hook to this top hook. If you have a car key where you just can stick your key in there. Actually, your key fob probably would fit in there. Mine's kind of thick, but you probably could fit it right in there. But it'd be thick. Especially for people who have an actual key for their car key, house key, car key, you could just hook it on the outside right there. So if you just like run to the store, which is a lot of what you do with these kind of things. So then I also got this metallic pink. Isn't that pretty? Let's see how this one works. Okay, that's magnetic. And, oh, it opens this way. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 again. There's no extra. No, there's no extra. Just 4 slots. And then this, I guess, for money. And a key fob. If you wanted to put that in there, you could. And then you close it. And that's what it looks like. So you have these two. One a little more classy conservative, and one a little more fun and metallic. So let's see what they did for this chain. Oh, they didn't use a chain, it's a strap. Okay, so this is just a, well, they've got the little hand strap to make it into a wristlet, or the big long strap to make it into a crossbody. You just hook it there and there, or you could just hook one side and have it be a wristlet, and the other side hook your car keys if you want, or hook your car keys to that and then hook it on. So I did this because I keep, and these are nice little pouches, so you could use these for like when you travel, like for your toothpaste and toothbrush or something. It's kind of velvety, but you know, I always, whenever I see packaging like this, I always think, how else could I use that to make the best use of it? But these are for me because of my own forgetfulness and for convenience to not carry a handbag just to run up to the store, like to run to the grocery store or the drugstore or like tomorrow I've just got to run up and get the baby some treats, and that's all I have to do. So I just need my driver's license, my credit card, and my car key, house key combo. So this just is something mainly, to be honest with you, I might mostly just wear around the house because I set my cell phone down all the time at the house. So I'm probably going to shorten the strap because you can shorten both of them and just hang it around my neck, like right at the waist level. Or I can just leave it crossbody while I'm working. But it's just because I keep setting my phone down. So it's like, put your phone up. So I got two different little pretty ways now. Alright, and then one thing that I didn't show y'all on that last video that I just did right before this one that had all the Lancome stuff in it, is that this is a pretty little pouch. It says, I can, we will. I guess that's an empowerment statement. I mean, also, I'm not really crazy about that, but I love the zipper pull as it's an arrow, y'all. Look at that. It's just an arrow. I don't know if you can see. Isn't that funky? But it's a pretty pouch. Again, you could use this for toiletries. Y'all know what pouches can be used for. Pens. I have so many pens, y'all. It's ridiculous. Pens and highlighters. Maybe I'll put all my pens in this one, and the little one I'll put my highlighters. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will be uploading this to my Bible Beauty Fashion and Fun channel and my Pure Bible channel. I'm not clear-headed enough to do a video right now, y'all. I'm literally just in bed. I'm so sorry. I am worn out. I'm hoping I sleep tonight. I didn't sleep last night with the flip because of all this drainage. So, hopefully I got some meds today. Hopefully they're going to kick in real strong soon. I got some antibiotics because they think it's a sinus infection. Because I was like, did I get COVID again? I hope I didn't get COVID again. And it wasn't COVID. They're like, no, it's sinus. So, you know, normal old sinus. So anyway, if you're wondering what I'm doing down here, I'm organizing my little bag. I'm in my little box so that I can kind of keep it in the boxes. So I'm going to put that little thing down in there until I think of how I want to use these boxes. Here's another good thing that you can use boxes like this that are pretty, they're not too deep. If you'll notice, you put that in a drawer to organize. Like you put all your hair, rubber bands in here, hair bows, or in a desk you can put this in there and put all your paper clips and other kind of clips in there, and some white out, some little tag stickers, page stickers. There's all kinds of things that you can use these little boxes for. But in the meantime, I will stick these in my closet, stacking them for my cell phone cases, because I bought some other cell phone cases the other day, and I do love them. This is the kind that actually I'm going to take that one out the first thing tomorrow and wear it around the house. So I don't want to lose my cell phone. No. Okay. I guess that's it. Except for one thing. I just realized I almost threw away my samples. Oh my gosh, and my lipstick. Am I out of my mind? Look at this. I had this all as trash. Look in here. Lipstick one. Don't tell me, did I really do that? Or thrown it away. Both lipsticks. I am tired. I need to go to bed. I refuse to start sneezing. I just refuse it. Okay, and then I found the two samples, so everything's cool. Remember to use your hard lids in your drawers so that we don't waste packaging. I'm going to bed. I love you guys very much. I hope you love me too. All the makeup in one pouch. Even though this is for Lancome, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, and my little silk. I do like these. You could use this for jewelry pouches when you're traveling. go. We'll put that in there too. Now look, that's all nice and organized, and so is my little purse covers. And we're done. And I will see y'all again soon. I love you. Talk to you tomorrow. Y'all be sweet and good. Just drop something else. Okay, I love y'all. Bye. What did I drop? Oh! That's important, actually. This is the cleansing foam. Just throw away the cool little card. Maybe one of you will get the card. Comment below if you think that would be a neat present to get, or if you think it's stupid. You can say either one. Also, these little pieces of styrofoam, this is good to put for when you're traveling, like using that little pouch. Put your earrings through this. Like put your stud through there and put that back on the other side. It's just an idea. Okay, now I've got a bunch of cleaning up to do because that's actually a mess, but I'm going to hold on to this. Okay. I used to save those Chanel boxes, by the way. I have tons of them right here where I have put labels in them. I put all kinds of stuff in them. Pens. You can always put pens. Okay. I wonder if this ran over. I guess not. There. I'm wearing my husband's little Italian earrings. They're little Murano glass hearts. Aren't they cute? Okay, y'all. I'm going to bed. Love you. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.